Some lunches are prepared by me alone, but today I wanted to do things a little differently, so I invited my children to help me prepare lunch. They're still too young to cook on their own, but there are so many little ways they can help. Picking vegetables, trimming beans, peeling garlic, setting the table. These may seem like small tasks, but I believe they teach something much bigger. They teach kindness, responsibility, and how to care for the people we love. Our little kitchen suddenly felt much livelier. There was laughter, curious questions, and little hands doing their very best to help. Everything took a little longer than usual, and yes, it was a little messier too. But I didn't mind, because I know these moments won't last forever. Today, I cooked one of our family's favorite meals. The delicious aroma slowly filled the kitchen. Every few minutes, my children would come over and ask, "Mom, is lunch ready yet?" Those little moments always make me smile. To me, a good meal isn't just about the food. It's about the love shared while preparing it together.
Con biết cái cây ở trong tận góc mà.
Không lấy cái này con ạ, đây, lấy cái này này. Con làm cái gì? Mẹ lấy cho con cái cano tay nhá.
Watching my children carefully do each little task reminded me that the most important thing isn't how much they can help, it's that they're learning to share, to care, and to be part of our family in their own little way. One day, my children will grow up and build lives of their own. I just hope they remember these peaceful afternoons, the laughter in our kitchen, the little helping hands, and the warmth of sharing a simple meal together. Soon, lunch was ready. We gathered around the table to enjoy the meal we had prepared together. Thank you for spending this peaceful day with my family. I'll see you in the next video.